Blockchain is one of the biggest buzzwords today. It is considered one of the most promising emerging technologies, a technology that has the potential to transform business as we know it. But what is blockchain? Simply explained, blockchain is a database or digital ledger of transactions. But this database is different from traditional databases as we know them. In a traditional database, data is stored on a centralized server with a single authority empowered to change or delete the data. In blockchain, the data is shared across a network of computers that all run on a special software that ensures all data remains identical. That's not all. Data is secured using cryptography and can only be changed by people authorized to do so. Before we delve further into how blockchain technology works, let's start by understanding what a block is. A block is a piece of information that is made up of data. The block contains a timestamp, which is used to create what is called the hash of the block. The block also has the hash of the previous block. There are various kinds of data that can be stored in a block. The data can be related to medical records, election information, smart contracts, or land records. The hash is the unique identity of a block, much like the fingerprint of a human being. Every block also contains the hash of the previous block. This is what creates a chain of interconnected blocks and gives this technology its name. Every time a new block is added, a timestamp is added to all the transactions. So, how does blockchain really work? Let's take the example of Bob. Bob wants to buy a house. He finds a house that he likes and decides to buy it. When he buys the house, the owner, Tom, has to sign a document that says Bob now owns the house. Tom also has to provide proof that when he bought the house, the previous owner signed a similar document giving him ownership of the house. This document also has to be given to Bob for his records. In essence, the house has to have proof of the chain of ownership all the way to the beginning. Blockchain is like that. For each unit of the chain, there is a cryptographically verifiable chain of the history of ownership. In blockchain, the registry is distributed to everybody. This means that anyone can verify, at any time, how many units are in circulation, who owns them, and what the history of their ownership is. Transactions are not just verified by one single authority, but by the consensus of multiple users. Because the information is stored across various computers, it makes it very hard for anyone to change or delete the data without others on the network noticing. The result? The blockchain helps to securely store and validate sensitive information in a way that establishes trust. It can also help to reduce costs, improve speed, and enhance productivity. At CGI, we are committed to helping organizations across industries harness emerging technologies to accelerate their transformation. Blockchain technology is one such opportunity. Join us to transform this opportunity into enduring value.